Welcome back to my channel. This is Papa Slow with Papa Slow channel. So I have here a little updates to share. Alright, so the gate was completed and this is how it looks. And here you can see that I was still filling up the compound because I need more sand to fill up. Altogether, I think I used about 4 trips of sand to fill up the compound, and it's all looking good. Because if you're building, you need to make sure you get those laterites to fill up this the compound for it to look nice and to raise the level against water logging on the compound. So this in front of my house. There's a land over there. They normally use it during um, the rainy season to cultivate some peppers and tomatoes and stuff like that. So this is how it looks. So far, so good. Enjoy. Everything looks good here. I can tell the compound is nice, and the soil that I bought the lightright one. That is good against, like I said, waterlogging on the compound. And then the turmeric that I did looks good too because it was able to withstand the rains, and all the rains that came up, everything looked dried. It used to be a little bit wet on all the walls, but this waterproof tamarind was able to withstand it. So back here I still have the plantains at the back here. The My security guard say they taste good because he's the one who's been cultivating it. And at the back here I still have my other land here that surprise I'm gonna be using it for something. I was just contemplating what I should use it for, but I think I'm gonna use it for something. I'll let you guys figure it out in a minute. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Everything straightened up. Makes sure the coping guy did a good job, and it looks good. It looks good. So Thomas, the security guy, was giving me a tour of the inside. Everything looks good, just like I saw it the last time I went. The living room is big. I made sure that I open it up. I cut down, break down some walls to make sure everything looks good and big. And up front here, the gates looks good too. I can tell the security guard post is still intact, and then they have to use extra laterite to fill up all the gaps that was created when it rained. So everything looks good here. So over here it's a very close um, picture of the tamarind. I really, really, really love this um, design and this thing that I put on the wall. I was facing a lot of wetness, but this thing really withstood all the rains, and the more water falls on it, the harder it becomes, and it's amazing. So anybody who's interested, I have the guy who did it in my other video, and he can always help you out. You can use him to have to replace plastering. All right, if I knew I would have going to use him, I wouldn't have paid extra money to plaster the whole thing and to put it on top of it. I would have just saved money and put this on it. So this is a close capture of how it looks. This the big eye type, and the one on the house is the small eye type. All right, so they have small, I think medium and big. So the walls, inside the walls is the big eye, on the building is the small eye, and it came out good. It came out good. Yeah, it came out good. So this side of the video was before the filling of the compound. This was just direct close capture of the tamarind on the wall that was captured. So all this has been filled up, the floors have been filled, and then this is when they brought the gate. All right, so they had to fix the floor with cement so that there will be a rail put down for the gate to run on it, because you cannot open it in or out. You have to push it, slide it through the other side, push it all the way to where the security gates are, because I don't have no more space for it to open that way. And I think this is one of the modern styles that is out there. You have to push it, so they created this rail. All right, so that's something I wanted to point out. In case you want to do your stuff like that, you can always save space like that. So the out front, the next time you see, I made them weed everything and clear the front of the house. So this is what I'm going to use the land for. I'm going to take the land and I'm going to just plant some regular stuff, like plantain and cassava, because I wouldn't let the land just stay there bare and do nothing on it. So at least I could use it or feed the local guys around there or my security guard and some of the working guys. So I'm letting them tilt the land nicely and just grow cassava and plantains. So there'll be a lot of food for them when they come to work around the house and the projects. They can always get some food to eat. When they full, their belly is full. They work so hard because other than that, I always have to provide them food, lunch for them to eat out of my own pocket. It's not by force to do that, but take good care of them. They also take good care of you. So that's what I'm doing right now to tilt the land to plant some plantains and cassava for the guys and for everybody around. So guys, this is the update for now. So Baba Slory is also a farmer a little bit. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, we're just documenting our projects to encourage everybody around. So everybody's invited to share, comment, and let's grow together. All right? Okay.